DJ, I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ, I'm a shut selector boy.
With Slyngaz, the one named Certified. I check out the G and see what G are dealing with. There. Yeah, man. Yeah, I don't know, you know, on the channel we like to feature new artists, not only existing artists, we like to see the up and coming artists. And think I'm going to start naming that segment Rising Stars or Shooting Stars. Let me know, comment which one you like better, Rising Star or Shooting Star. Let me know. You see me? But yeah, man, tell you there are Slyngaz, the one named Certified, one put by 𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍. You see me? We'll check it out and see that my deal. You see me? Now all the vibes by Longer Gang. Let's go.
One client on them in a niche. But they not gonna know that, but they not chop the line.
One client on them in a niche, but they not gonna know that because they not chop it for real, eh?
But they not gonna know that, but they not chop the line.
Did it on records.
1 trillion money, know your badness. Yo, did it done.
Come in, dog, that sound like him coming. How many span on?
Fully. Been a make choice, be my ex-drive. Ring a next client, ring a get science. Been a send prayers, fecal wires. Direct deposit and swing a next giant. Fat spaceship, vroom, been a get tires. They burn up on a black but at least been a get tired. Have to kill.
Voila. Let's have a little buzz to it, man. Let's have a little buzz to it, man. Hold on there. See what I got deal with. How the artists are dropping in the comments, Slyngaz, me never hear about him. Drop some information, me know where he come from, where he is, what that song for react to. Me know, man. Drop in the comment section.
Yo, did it done. Fully. Been a make
Hold on, man. Me just wait for you. Come on.
fully. Been a make choice, be my ex-drive. Ring a next client, ring a get science. Been a send prayers, fecal wires. Direct deposit and swing a next giant. Fat spaceship, vroom, been a get tires. They burn up.
Me nah lie, this have a blood sleeve vibe to it. Me nah lie. Yeah, man. This have a little vibe to it. This have a little buzz to it. Slyngaz, look yourself. Hold on.
Get tired, have to kill some boost soul. Been a get bias, been a get money, been a get client. Certified, believe in I chop me worky line. And if I incense dog got 30 light, Jackie line 1 mil to 39.
Man, say, I chop it, man. Certified, brother, man. Be not, hey, easy yourself, no, man. Be not make money. Be not get client. Oh.
Believe in I chop me worky line.
Let me see what dog I said. Come on.
Black but at least been a get tired. Have to kill some boost soul. Been a get bias, been a get money, been a get client. Certified, believe in I chop me worky line. And if I incense dog got 30 light.
I believe in that chop me working line. If I intent dog at 38.
Jackie line 1 mil to 39. Yo, did it done. Get a scholar hat, hear a scholar crack. I'm money enough for done. Up a soda land, turn it up a notch. We full up a cash.
Money offer down up a soda land. Hey, don't go over
And
there.
if I run a flop, me I hope you're not. Been a make choice, be my ex-drive. Ring a next client, ring a get science. Been a send prayers, fecal wires. Direct deposit and swing.
Been a send prayers, we collect wires. Clot. Yo, this yourself, go on.
A next giant, fat spaceship, vroom. Been a get tires. They burn up on a black but at least been a get tired. Have to kill some boost soul. Been a get
Fat spaceship room. Been a, hey, up to you, man. The man been a do this. The man certified, the deaf.
tires. They burn up on a black but at least been a get tired. Have to kill some boost soul. Been a get bias. Been a get money. Been a get tired. We are do this for you.
The pussy all sound healthy, no blood clot. You doctor.
Been a get money. Been a get tired. We are do this for years and we begin a game. Next call take play now come a jail in. Everything get fucked for a year, okay? Science the real dog do.
Everything get fucked for a year, okay? Ah!
I'm a jailing, everything get fucked for a year, okay? Science the real dog do as I say. Heavy chip load, heavy clip load, heavy ring load, heavy with swords, big fat pencil, heavy rim sport. Million a day that I want to think about. Be
I
my
mean,
choice,
man, you.
be my extra.
What else is there to think about? Millions a day that the dog I think can have meds. You see me and say that they panic cabeza when you see dog has meds. Yeah, man, millions of days, man. You see me and say them thing your money, you just pray about elevating yourself and making yourself better. That's all you pray and think about. You see me?
Ring a next client,
You're not
ring a
too
get
well with
sent.
that.
Been a send prayers, 𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐂𝐓𝐎𝐍 wires. Direct deposit and swing a next giant. Fat spaceship, vroom, been a get tires. They run up on your block, but
That spaceship, boom, been a get tires. I want to you, easy yourself now, man. The man, been a do this to you. I want to you, easy yo.
at least been a get tired. Have to kill some pussy hole, been a get biased.
Bad way the pussy hole healthy. I think you.
Pussy hole, been a get biased. Been a get money, been a get tired.
Slyngaz certified. Yeah, man. Oh, that got that tune out here, man. That got that tune out here. Good things. BDT. Okay, we have things to check out from Slyngaz, man. Gang, drop in the comments what we react to next. Yeah, man. Who's Slyngaz? Where him come from? Let me know where I going. Why best song? Why best song for react to? Let me know, gang. You see me? Drop in the comments, man. Let's chop it up. Yeah, man. Chop 6. Big up yourself, dog. I appreciate that. Me like to listen to new artists, up and coming artists. So me like when you drop them suggestions. Yeah. You see me? I don't just. You see me? Big artists we like to react, like I said. You see me? I say. So big up on yourself. Yo, Slyngaz, you're doing your thing, bro. You see me? I say it's a vibe. I see what you do with that one. I see the concept what you do with that one. You see me? I say. I see the potential we have. You see me? I say. Well, yeah, man. Slyngaz, you see me? Yeah, Slyngaz certified. Big up yourself, Slyngaz. We react to some more. We keep your hype on you. You see me? I say. Like when we see new talent, we can keep your hype on, you know. I mean, so they'll give me hope for the future, the industry and the music. You see me? And the culture. You know, say, yo, new artists are so, you know, it's like keep on growing and new thing, you know what I'm saying? So, yo, yeah, man, enjoy the one. But big up yourself, Slyngaz. People, if you like it, show the artists some love and support. Make you know, say Jambisco and Center. You already know, drop your comments. Let's get a Discord going. Man, you don't know code, man. You see me? Let's get a conversation going. Let's talk about what's your favorite part. Beats, lyrics, melody, all that good stuff, man. If you know the artist, drop some info. Let me know who's the artist. Drop some info. Give me some insight on the artist. You don't know the gang. We there, all have vibe and easy and thing. All about the mic. But yeah, man, we all have the vibes. You don't know till next time, gang. Boy, Jambisco. Next time, take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys.
I always tell the truth, even when I lie.